Molloy and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays, where we love to make a difference. I've got a special guest who will introduce who she is and what she does to make a difference in the world.
Hi everyone, I'm Annie Jones from No More Fake Smiles, and we specialise in child sexual abuse and all of the healing of the children. We support them financially through therapy and just want to make a really big difference in the area, especially on the coast.
How wonderful, and this is our symbol for No More Fake Smiles. So what I would love you to do, if you know someone out there that is hurting or has been hurt, then we would love you to, how do we get in contact with you?
Well, this week we have a massive campaign. We're trying to raise $700,000 over the 7 days of Child Protection Week, which is this week right now. And you can get in contact with us through our Instagram, website and Facebook. Our website is www.nomorefakesmiles.com.au and just No More Fake Smiles for any of the socials.
No More Fake Smiles. So remember the symbol, and we've just got these beautiful sunflowers today, and I want you just to be like that sunflower. Turn your face to the sun and keep shining no matter what happens. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thanks for
Bye
having
everyone.
me.